Hello everyone, hopefully you will be fine and enjoying the course of life. It's Ran Abdul Rahman here, and today is the first session from MB300 Exam Training Series. In this session, we will be discussing the high-level introduction to Dynamics 365 Business Applications family. We will start with the required skills, composition of examination, and how to prepare for it. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel and watch this session till end to get at least high-level understanding about Dynamics 365 Business Applications family and digital transformation. Let's start with today's quote. Knowledge has to be improved, challenged, and increased constantly, or it vanishes. So MB300 for consultants. So basically consultants, functional and technical both, gather and analyze business requirements and translate those requirements into fully realized business processes and solutions that implement industry recommended practices. They serve as a key resource in implementing and configuring apps to meet business requirements. Therefore, the consultants should be able to implement core component and features of Dynamics 365 finance and operation apps. They should also have awareness of how Dynamics 365 applications integrate with external systems and tools including Power Platform. Being a consultant, we also use Lifecycle Services, Azure DevOps, and other Microsoft tools and platforms to facilitate the application lifecycle management process. Therefore, MB300 is there for core finance and operation apps. Skills measured during MB300 exam are as follows. Describe finance and operation applications and extend these applications by using Power Platform technologies. Configure administrative features and workflows. Manage finance and operations data. Validate and support the solution. Set up and configure financial management. Implement accounts receivable, credit collections, and revenue recognition rules. Implement and manage accounts payable and expenses. Manage budgeting and fixed assets. Composition of the exam questions are like 20 to 25% will be coming from the described finance and operation applications and extend those apps by using Power Platform. Configure administrative features and workflows 30 to 35%, and 25 to 30% will be coming from manage finance and operations data, and 20 to 25% questions will be coming from validate and support solutions. This is a hypothetical analysis from the Microsoft. So roughly 20 to 30% is coming from every area. Microsoft business applications are intelligent solutions that supply a comprehensive view of an organization's business. These solutions include the Microsoft Dynamics 365 products that are connected by data and intelligence and are supported by Microsoft Power Platform. Dynamics 365 business applications allow organizations to digitally transform their organizations. The applications remove the complexity of separate CRM and enterprise resource management systems by creating modern modular business applications that work together on a single platform. The applications give custom organizations the flexibility to adopt technology when they need it to help improve business outcomes. Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business. The goal of digital transformation is to change how organizations operate and deliver value to customers. For introduction and digital transformation, I will be sharing recorded sessions by Microsoft officials so that you can better understand the theorem behind this Dynamics Intelligence Applications family. Then there will be a high-level overview about Microsoft Business Applications family, followed by use of artificial intelligence and mixed reality in Dynamics 365 Business Applications platform. So let's watch the introduction about Dynamics 365 applications.
Welcome to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals. This is Introducing Dynamics 365 Applications. Dynamics 365 revolutionizes CRM and ERP by applying intelligence to all forms of data. This enables organizations to evolve from reactive business decisions to proactive insights that empower your employees to accelerate business results. With finance and operations apps like Dynamics 365 Finance, Dynamics 365 Commerce, or Dynamics 365 Human Resources, and customer engagement apps for sales, customer service, field service, and marketing. Dynamics 365 is the world's connected business cloud designed to help you better understand your business and act strategically to be successful. Additionally, with Business Central, where small and medium-sized organizations can run their entire business to an ERP solution for supply chain management, Dynamics 365 delivers applications you can trust on the Microsoft Cloud. With this in mind, our learning objectives are to discover those Dynamics 365 applications. We'll recognize the business value in the Dynamics 365 applications and how they support your journey on digital transformation. And we will understand the role of artificial intelligence and mixed reality in Dynamics. Digital disruption is forcing every company and industry to reimagine themselves. A huge part of this transition is about reinventing how businesses engage with their customers, their business processes, and how they take advantage of data and intelligence. Take, for example, the retail industry. It is a great example of an industry reinventing itself with new customer experiences integrated across marketing, online sales, in-store sales, and merchandising. The way the customers engage now evolves all of the time. You need a customer experience that not only meets the needs today, but can evolve and grow also. Financial services is seeing the end of bankers' hours as consumers demand access to their funds 24/7 from any location and from any device. The world we live in today is fast and ever evolving. Business requirements are driven by highly informed customers that have access to pervasive information. Not only customers have more access to data, but organizations can learn more about their customers in real time. Products and services are now designed to be directly connected with customers, like a smartwatch and a connected car, creating an always-on connection that gives us real-time insights. And it's not just about how much data, it's about being able to reason over the data, which gives organizations the ability to garner insights and take intelligent actions. This is why data has become the new currency for organizations. Now let's dive in and see and learn more about the Dynamics 365 applications.
Applications that we've been using in business for decades and decades, I'm going to argue they're no different, right? They haven't really changed fundamentally. This is a picture of a TWA call center and forms over data, same app, literally. And so nothing has really fundamentally changed in these applications. And if the business applications are what sort of embody your business processes, if they haven't changed, then your business processes have been fundamentally unchanged as well. Very reactive. You think about perhaps you're a manufacturer, that milling machine fails. Now you've got a crisis. Someone picks up the phone, they call a service center, so now an application opens, now data starts getting created, and eventually you can react and roll someone to go bring the production line back up. Super reactive. But that's all we could do. There really wasn't another way. But there's something that's fundamentally changing, and this underlies everything that we've done at Microsoft, everything across every product and service, and that fundamental change is that data is starting to come out of everything, and it's coming first. It's coming out of every camera, it's coming out of every retail environment, it's coming out of every factory, it's coming out of products and services. All of this data is flowing, not because someone opened an app and typed something into a form, but because things are increasingly instrumented, telemetry, all of this information is flowing, and that ultimately allows businesses to transform from reactive to proactive. So you think about this, the case that we just talked about. Now you've got that milling machine in the factory sending a continuous stream of information about how it's being used, the health of the device or the milling machine. That lands in an anomaly detection model in Azure, can predict that there's an impending failure. Now someone can go do a maintenance call before the thing goes down and keep the customer happy. It really flips entirely the business process. It takes it from you have to wait until something goes wrong to predicting what's going to happen and getting in front of it. Completely different. And for the first time, applications are becoming this data-first driven. Data intelligence action.
The digital transformation loop refers to the framework that is used to highlight how digital transformation is enabled. At the center of the framework is the data. The data emerges from everything. Every product is interwoven within telemetry and ability to collect data. For example, the thermostat at your house knows when you are changing the temperature. To disrupt and innovate, industries must adopt a strategy that connects their customers, employees, products, and operations as efficiently, as effectively as possible. Organizations need to streamline their businesses to respond to customer demands and pool data across organizations so that analytics can help provide insights. Let's watch another video to understand the role which Power Apps are playing in this digital transformation journey.
For the first time, applications are becoming this data-first driven, data intelligence action. And this is happening across the entirety of the business, digital feedback loop. Customers, products, people, operations, or assets, all of these four corners of your business are sending data continuously. Every time someone updates their LinkedIn profile, visits your website, that piece of equipment in the factory on the product side, all of this streaming information that if you can harness it, harmonize it, and reason over it, you can really understand what's happening with your products and with your customer. You can then take that understanding, for example, of your customer. That 360-degree view of the customer can drive intelligent engagement, which of course creates even more data, which flows back into this loop, and this is happening across the entirety of the business. So this sort of frame, this was our thesis when we set out to build everything that we've built. And so if you lay this down on its side, let me just put the pieces back together now. So first thing we did was lay down a planet scale footprint of data center capacity that today, we enjoy more regions than AWS and GCP, Google combined. Massive scale, exabyte class data storage to capture all of this information flowing from everything. On top of that, the Azure Intelligence Platform and Application Platform allows you to take that data, turn it into insight, predictions, and then to act. On top of that, we built the Power Platform, which allows not just professional developers, but citizen developers or anyone who wants a low-code, no-code, high productivity platform to build applications to do that. On top of that, Office 365 and Dynamics 365, which is the industry's only comprehensive sort of left to right business application family. Unstructured business processes with Office, communicate, collaborate, create, with Dynamics across marketing, sales, service, operations, finance, talent, and commerce. And so holistic across the business and integrated. These are sister services that were built to work together. And then finally on top of that, AppSource, which is our ISV marketplace where we've got tens of thousands of applications now from ISVs that have built on top of this. Now, the important part here is that this is a unified family of solutions.
So the unified family of solutions. This graphic shows how Microsoft Dynamics 365 is built on Microsoft Power Platform with shared data and intelligence. All data gathered into Azure Data Lake, and from there, Power Platform uses it for intelligence, data-driven apps. Now let's have a look about the business applications. At high level, we can group Microsoft Dynamics business applications into two groups: the customer engagement apps and the finance and operation apps. The customer engagement apps are built on Microsoft Power Platform. and the goal is to use them to actively engage with customers. These apps are responsible for tracking metrics and tools to support generating new customers and retaining them. Dynamics 365 Sales enables you to build strong relationships with your customers, take actions based on insights, and close sales faster. Use sales to keep track of your account and contacts. Nurture your sales from lead to order, create sales collateral, and create marketing leads and campaigns. You can even follow service cases that are associated with the specific accounts or opportunities. Next is the Dynamics 365 Customer Service. It allows you to earn customer for life. Build great customer relationships by focusing on excellent customer satisfaction with customer service app. The customer service provides many features and tools that help you manage services that you provide to the customers. Next is the Field Service app. It helps you to deliver on-site service to customer locations. The application combines workflows, automation, scheduling algorithms, and mobility to help you set up mobile workers for success when they are on site with customer fixing the issues. Next is the Dynamics 365 Marketing, a marketing automation application that helps turn prospects into business relationships. The app is user-friendly, works seamlessly with Dynamics 365 Sales, and has built-in business intelligence. Use marketing to create graphical email messages, share information across sales and marketing teams, and more. Next, we have another app family called Finance and Operation Apps. Let's discuss about that. The finance and operation apps basically are derived from enterprise resource planning and are used for multiple daily operations within an organization. These apps are responsible for tasks like handling inventory, buying and selling goods, and keeping track of everything financial. While customer engagement apps focus on handling customer engagement, the 4 apps we will be discussing right now cover the daily operations of a business. Dynamics 365 Commerce, earlier it was known as the retail. It delivers a comprehensive omni-channel solution that unifies back office, in-store call center, and digital experiences. The commerce enables you to build brand loyalty through personalized customer engagements, increase revenues with improved employee productivity, optimize operations to reduce cost, and drive supply chain efficiencies. Next is the Dynamics 365 Finance. It helps you automate and modernize your global financial operations, monitor performance in real time, predict future outcomes, and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth. Use finance to drive strategic financial decisions with AI, unify and automate your financial processes, reduce operational expenses, and decrease the global financial complexity and risks. Next is the Dynamics 365 Human Resources. It streamlines many record-keeping tasks and automates several staffing processes. These processes include employee retention, benefits administration, training, performance reviews, and change management. HR also provides a framework for human resources staff to manage areas of oversight. Next is the Dynamics 365 Supply Chain. It helps you transform your manufacturing and supply chain operations. Use predictive insights and intelligence from AI and IoT across the planning of production, inventory, warehouse, and transportation management. Supply chain management can maximize operational efficiency, product quality, and profitability. Use supply chain management to innovate with intelligent manufacturing operations, modernize warehouse using the warehouse application, optimize production performance, maximize the life of your assets, and automate and streamline your supply chain. Another solution from Dynamics Business Apps family is called Microsoft Business Central. It is a business management solution for small and mid-sized organizations that automates and streamlines core business processes and helps you manage your business. Highly adaptable and rich with features, Business Central helps you to manage your business processes including finance, manufacturing, sales, shipping, project management, services, and more. Apart from these apps, there are some other products like Adobe Experience Cloud, AI Builder, Azure DevOps, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Customer Voice, Fraud Protection, Remote Assistance, Virtual Agent for Customer Service, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Power Apps Portal, and Power BI. So I will not be going into details of these products, but you are requested to please go through and get at least high level knowledge about the functionality they are providing. Next is the AI. Artificial intelligence is a set of algorithms that computers use to analyze data and make conclusions. In some situations, AI can train itself. AI can arrive at a conclusion that's based on available data. In other situations, you can train AI continually with repeated feedback and adjustments. The more data that a computer has, the more it can make discrete or fine-tuned assumptions. Then you can act on those assumptions and conclusions, or you can either edit further. By using AI in Dynamics 365, businesses get in-depth insight and make each touchpoint more relevant and responsive with data-driven insights into customer needs and behaviors. In Dynamics 365, AI is being used by model-driven customer engagement apps. The image shows all AI runs on Microsoft. This point you need to actually remember that in Dynamics 365, AI runs on Microsoft Dataverse to support Dynamics 365. So, what is the Dataverse? Dataverse is actually is a solution that lets you securely store and manage data that's used by business applications. Data within Dataverse is stored within a set of tables. A table is a set of rows, formerly referred as records, and columns, formerly referred to as fields or the attributes. Each column in a table is designed to store a certain type of data, for example, name, age, salary, and so on. Dataverse includes a base set of standard tables that cover typical scenarios. But you can also create custom tables specific to your organization and populate them with the data by using Power Query. App makers can then use Power Apps to build rich applications that use this data. So let's talk about the mixed reality at high level. The mixed reality is the result of blending the physical world with the digital world. It's the next evolution in human, computer, and environmental interactions, and unlocks possibilities that before now was only human imagined. Mixed reality is made possible by advancements in computer vision, graphical processing power, display technology, and input systems. The three main components as depicted in the picture of the mixed reality are human input, computer processing, and environmental input. Human input is collected through human-computer interaction. The human input happens through various means such as keyboards, mice, touch, ink, voice, and even connect skeletal tracking. The interaction between computer and the environment is referred to as perception. Dynamics 365 apps have several tools that are available for collaboration in the mixed reality, such as Microsoft HoloLens. By using Microsoft HoloLens, employees can work smarter, view mixed reality, troubleshoot, repair, and perform with confidence and speed. They can move freely and pull critical information into view and stay focused on the tasks with their hands free to do the work. The image showing a technician with HoloLens using the mixed reality. Dynamics 365 guides an improved training effectiveness and understand how employees are performing with Dynamics 365 guides. The mixed reality tool for learning, the image shows a technician with HoloLens using the guides. The guide is providing him instructions what he gonna do with that equipment. Next is the remote assistant. It helps employees work together even when they are worlds apart. Dynamics 365 Remote Assist is the mixed reality tool for instant collaboration. The image shows a technician with HoloLens using Remote Assist. Thanks for watching. Let's have a quick recap. First, we discussed the scales measured in MB300 exam, then the composition of exam questions, introduction to Dynamics 365 business applications family, digital transformation, and then we have gone through a different business application like customer engagement apps and finance and operation apps, and finally the use of AI and mixed reality in Microsoft Business Applications family. It's a high-level preliminary session. Please share your feedback in the comments below. In order to take full advantage of this free instructor-led training, please subscribe and press bell icon. Due to time constraint, I'll be posting videos twice a week. Please make sure to watch all the related parts. It will help you grabbing the concepts easily. In next session, we will be showing how to navigate around finance and operation apps. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.